Hello, everyone. Nasser Qureshi with Texas Signature Realty is your realtor daddy here. So we have deal of the day for today. We have 1.99 acres in Arlington, Texas, right next to the freeway. Okay. Value ARV $990,000. Asking price $660,000. That is $300,000 instant value. This is the survey, and these are a couple of pictures. So contact me. This is not gonna last too long. If you're looking for investment, $300,000 instant value. And let me share another great news with you. According to the Business Insider, this article, top 10 cities in the nation, in the United States of America, um, which is already set and reaping the benefit for 2026 in real estate market. And we have number five, which is number one, Dallas Fort Worth, Texas, number one. And Houston, Texas is number five. So, folks, of course, time is money, but real estate is both. Contact me if you have a deal of the day that you want me to post, or you have some inquiry about real estate, residential, commercial in the state of Texas. Remember, Realtor Daddy on the number on your screen, 281-857-2000, and I'll see you at the top. Bye-bye.